For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. Please realize children. Thank you.
La estación de control de cinturones de seguridad está a la vuelta de la esquina. Por su seguridad, mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the Sim Truck. We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connected to OnStar. SIM car performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM car off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Scanning SIM car for optimal acceleration speed. Engaging EcoScan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total enviro impact. Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now
Automated driving technology verified and active.
This is like normal driving in Florida.
Disengaged.
Where's the ride?
Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Yeah, I don't think little's right.
Displaying power test results. SimTrack performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing. You'll be able to see how those Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compare
Battery
to the
makes
Sim
such a
car
kick-ass
after
car.
awesome work. Please watch your step as you exit, and remember to take all your personal belongings with you.